feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where it starts. Tell me